The Samsung 990 EVO SSD 2TB is a high-performance PCIe Gen 4x4 and Gen 5x2 M.2 NVMe internal solid-state drive designed to elevate your PC or laptop storage and speed. With read speeds up to 5,000 megabytes per second and write speeds up to 4,200 megabytes per second, this SSD ensures quick load times for games, applications, and large files. The drive is power efficient, boasting 70% better performance per watt compared to the 970 EVO Plus. Its smart thermal control prevents overheating, while Samsung's Magician software keeps your drive up to date with the latest firmware and health monitoring. Users are thrilled with the Samsung 990 EVO SSD for its blazing fast speeds and seamless performance. The read/write speeds of 5,000/4,200 megabytes per second offer noticeable improvements in file loading and boot times, making it a favorite among gamers and professionals alike. The power efficiency has also been praised, as it delivers significant performance without draining excessive energy, ideal for users seeking a balance between speed and power consumption. Additionally, the Magician software is lauded for keeping the drive optimized with regular updates and drive health monitoring. While the Samsung 990 EVO SSD performs exceptionally well, some users have pointed out a few downsides. A few reported that achieving the maximum speeds requires the latest PCIe 4.0 or 5.0 interfaces, limiting its full potential on older systems. Others mentioned that while the thermal control works well, the drive can still get warm during heavy tasks, making additional cooling systems necessary for extreme workloads. A handful of users also noted that the price point is slightly higher compared to some competitors, though the performance justifies the cost for. The Samsung 990 EVO SSD 2TB is a top-tier storage solution that combines speed, power efficiency, and smart thermal management. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or someone needing fast data access, this SSD's 5,000/4,200 megabytes per second speeds and PCIe 4.0/5.0 compatibility provide a robust upgrade. While it requires modern hardware to unlock its full potential and comes at a premium price, the overall performance, efficiency, and firmware support through Magician software make it a standout choice for those seeking reliable, cutting-edge storage.